Good evening. Hey, you guys. Happy Tuesday. I am Melissa Miller. I am a brand ambassador for Essential Stencil, and I go live here every Tuesday to do some crafting. We're going to see what happens tonight because I've got these giant transfers. Sometimes we can be intimidated by the big transfers, but let me show you. I did pull a couple of great big pieces of, it looks like just some big barnwood that we had in our bin, and it's got the tongue and groove edges. So I don't know that these two would even still fit together, but I feel like could be cute somewhere next to each other. You can see I've got two of them, so I thought they could maybe be used in a grouping or something. If somebody wanted to buy one of the cows, maybe they would buy both of them. So I'm gonna angle you guys down, make sure that we get some viewers on here tonight. Let me raise my camera up, and I'm gonna angle you down, and we're gonna get started doing some DIY projects tonight. Let me plug that. Okay, this board, I think I might use this side of it. It's still got some nail holes in it, and that's okay too. My horse would look really cute on there. I could do a horse and a cow. So we're gonna see tonight, I kind of like this on here. We'll just go ahead and go trim around. I'm going to be careful not to touch the back of the design, but it's going to come apart just like so. How cute is this? I'm just going to push this down with my hands and secure it down on here. The transfers, if you've never shopped the transfers for Essential Stencil, they are something that you are going to want to grab because they are going to up-level your crafting, and it's going to make it look like you have spent so much time hand painting some designs. And it's just sometimes things that I could never paint something like this myself, not as beautiful as this. Now, my other little country cow I showed you earlier is pretty darn cute, and I'm always in awe of a good paint kit and how that can any beginner can do that as well. So if you are somebody who's looking for these large transfers, the cows and the Highland cow and the horses are still available. Look at that. And then I'm just going to take my hand and I'm going to press that down. So we've got our cute cow on there. Oh, I think Farm Charm is pretty darn cute. I could even do the little flowers on her head. I'm gonna go to the words right here, and I'm gonna just swirl right over them onto this wood. So let's take this off. Just so simple. So simple. And so let me just put a little bit of paint on this board, and let's just go over it like this. And then I'm gonna dry it. Oh gosh. And let's take a look. Okay, let's turn this around a little bit like this. I'm gonna go at it this way. Anything that I would add to this would be more neutral if it's going up for sale. That way I don't eliminate somebody that doesn't like blue, or I mean, I don't, you know, if somebody doesn't like a certain color that I might use, then I have not cut out my sales market. That little piece right there. So I could also tell you that if something did go awry and I had a hole or something I needed to fix, I could always put a stencil or embellish it with something. But look at that. That looks pretty darn good. I don't know that I have any room for a word up here, but I'm gonna certainly take a look at those stencils one more time. Country Blessings might go above her head. You know, you guys know what color I'm gonna pick, I'm sure. I've got a little bit of pavement sitting right here. And I think I can work right out of my lid tonight. We'll use a little bit of pavement. And we're gonna just go right over this. I could do blessings right over her head. So I might do it real quick too, because I think it will also be pretty darn quick. That is cute. So cute. Okay, there is that little cutie. We'll hold that up in just a minute. I'm gonna do one more, just because I've been dying to. And we're gonna do this on my painted cow. I am gonna have to probably get white, so I will have to get another brush. Do I have a dome brush? Oh gosh. Okay, here's a brush. But let's see here. Country Blessings, Grace, Grit, Gratitude, and Grit would look pretty darn cute right up here in the corner of this. And this is a canvas that I'm gonna stencil on. I did paint this. This is in this is one of my paint kits that I have just added to. It's a DIY paint kit on my website. I have been into hosting paint parties, and it has been a lot of fun. I have had a lot of fun painting differently. I didn't think I could paint like this, and I'm here to tell you I can. I also am going to get some pink on here because it's going to reactivate that pink. But it might look just fine on this cute little kind of abstract canvas. So I'm okay with it. Okay, let's see how this looks. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. That turned out cute. I've been wanting to do one with words. Look at that. Okay, let's hold this up. And let me just pull myself up again. I just probably got paint on myself. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna knock everything off. I don't have a lot of room here. Okay. So, look at how cute. There's our farm charm. And here is our little Country Blessings. So this would be a cute set right here. See? There it goes. Knocking stuff off. I'm too close to the wall. Look at those guys. Aren't those cute? Got the horse, the cow. Adorable. Those are a cute, cute set. Then we got my cute little country cow here. Isn't she cute? I painted that. I painted that. I've painted her probably 4 times now, and I think she's darling. All right, you guys. And if you need to check out anything on our website, make sure that you follow me at Miller's Rustic Sawmill, and you can shop our website as well. I've added some paint kits there, and then we have wood surfaces as well that we ship out. And yeah, you can message me there if you have any questions too. So I hope you'll come back next Tuesday and hang out with me. I'll be making some other projects with stencils or transfers or both. And go grab your things tonight, even if you need brushes or the transfer tool or anything that you might want from this site. I have all of the links in the header of the video. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. See you later. Bye. Thanks for watching.